Before you hire a carpet cleaning company, make sure you know how often your carpets really need to be cleaned. Discover what's right for your household. Keeping your carpets clean is an essential part of a healthy home. In this video, I'll help you determine how often you should have your carpets professionally cleaned based on your household's unique needs. Carpets can trap allergens like dust, pollen, dust mites, pet fur, and dander. When you walk on these carpets, particles get kicked up into the air, lowering the air quality in your home and making allergies worse. Regular professional cleanings help reduce these allergens. If someone in your household has allergies, I recommend having your carpets professionally cleaned every 8 to 12 months. For severe allergies, aim for every 6 to 8 months. If your home has low traffic, for instance, if you don't have kids, pets, or a lot of people running through your home, you may not need to clean your carpets as often as someone who has a lot of people coming in and out of their house on a regular basis. Homes with only adults and no pets usually only require professional cleanings every 18 to 24 months. If you do get a major stain or spill, we recommend calling for professional help within 1 to 2 days if you can't completely remove it yourself. Busy homes need carpet cleaning more regularly. If you have young children, teenagers, pets, your carpets see a ton of action. We recommend high traffic households have their carpets professionally cleaned every 12 to 14 months. Pets bring joy and mess into our homes. How often you need to clean your carpets really depends on how messy your pets are. For instance, if you're house training a puppy, you might want to consider cleaning more often than if you had an older, more well-behaved dog. For homes with pets, we recommend a professional carpet cleaning every 8 to 14 months. There are a few other things to consider when planning how often to get your carpets professionally cleaned. If you suffer from allergies, consider cleaning your mattresses and your furniture as often as you clean your carpets. Clean your area rugs based on their location. High traffic area rugs, like those under your dining room table, should be cleaned yearly. Rugs in less used areas can go up to a few years between cleanings. If you're getting a secondhand mattress or secondhand furniture, we do recommend having them cleaned before you bring them into your home. While we talked mainly about carpets, you can use the same timelines with upholstery. Keep in mind that furniture sitting in unused spare rooms can go longer between cleanings than the sofa the whole family gathers on for movie night. After hosting a big party or event, you might want to consider a professional cleaning to handle the multiple spots and spills that you can see and the few that you can't find right now. How often you need to professionally clean your carpets really depends on your situation. Homes with less traffic can go longer between professional cleanings compared to homes that are filled with kids and pets. If you're interested in keeping your home healthy and your carpets in top shape, visit us online at signaturecarpetcleaning.ca or check out another one of our great videos on carpet and furniture care.